There are nearly 100,000 organizations across the United States that support the U.S. Department of Defense. These organizations make planes, weapons, and everything needed to support the U.S. military. In order to ensure the safety and security of the U.S. military, we need to make these things here in the United States. But we can't do that without a workforce that is trained to implement digital technologies and cybersecurity practices for manufacturing. Manufacturers are facing significant issues attracting and retaining new workers. In fact, by 2030, it's estimated there will be 2.1 million job openings in manufacturing in the United States due to a skills gap. New technologies require new skill sets, and U.S. manufacturers who support the defense industrial base will not remain competitive with the rest of the world if they do not invest in their workers.
On the other side, rapidly evolving skill requirements due to uptake of technology at a pace that we haven't seen in a very long time. These are new technologies which require new skills and fundamentally new roles and jobs. There is no other sector that is as hacked and as vulnerable as manufacturing. And if you think about what we're producing, both in terms of IP and product, as well as manufacturing being the backbone of national defense, this is something that everyone should care about, particularly in Department of Defense.
So MxD worked with Manpower Group to create two hiring guides, one in digital for manufacturing and one in cybersecurity for manufacturing. These two hiring guides provide a blueprint for industry as to what kinds of skills they're going to want to employ within their facilities to adopt the latest technologies and cybersecurity practices. These hiring guides have been made publicly available and free and have been downloaded nearly 2,000 times. Dow is an example of an industry partner that has used our hiring guide to establish a new digital manufacturing team.
MxD is helping Dow identify the skills and training that will be required for our future workforce. Dow is using MxD's hiring guide to create the roles within our Digital Operations Center, in which 𝐃𝐞𝐞𝐫 is a member and one of our leaders in mobility technology.
Dow was a key evaluator in the Jobs Taxonomy project here at MxD a number of years ago. We've leveraged that taxonomy in a number of ways. Here at MxD, we have developed the mobile worker process testbed, where we have a full stack integration of digital technologies specifically centered for what a process industry would need. It gives us a space to come together with our solution providers and really demonstrate what it is that we want in the digital space, as well as show some of our industry competitors what it is that the art of the possible really is.
The second hiring guide we did looked at the cybersecurity paradox that we have in manufacturing. We have to create clear pathways for people to actually move into some of these more in-demand roles so that we can secure what's ours and so that we can build and advance our prosperity as a nation while staying secure. I think the Department of Defense should really care about what's happening in manufacturing right now. Manufacturing is not just the key to prosperity for this country, it's also the key to its security as a nation.